He who thinks he is the doer is also the sufferer. The true self is imperishable, therefore, when a man finds it, he finds a happiness which does not come to an end. Standing in the middle ground, untouched by the suffering of either desire or aversion, move only as the grace of that Lord God moves you. There was no mansions in deep sleep. The body thought brings out the idea of sin. The birth of thought is itself sin. In the deep sleep state, we lay down our ego, our thoughts, and our desires. If we could only do all this while we are conscious, we would realize the self. God is not only in the heart of all, He is the prop of all, He is the source of all, their abiding place and their end. All proceed from Him, have their stay in Him, and finally resolve into Him. Therefore, He is not separate. Be eager to have the true knowledge. As this eagerness grows, the wrong knowledge diminishes in strength until it finally disappears. To perform one's duty carefully is the greatest service to God. When you give up thinking of outward objects and prevent your mind from going outwards and turn it inward and fix it in the self alone will remain. Only humility can destroy the ego. The ego keeps you far away from God. The door to God is open, but the lintel is very low. To enter, one has to bend. First, reform yourself, and then it will be time enough to think about the world. How can you help the world until you have helped yourself? Fix your attention on any single thing and try to hold on to it. All will be right. You could well have thought of me from where you were, and so could have had all the consolation of a personal visit. Face the troubles, but keep yourself steady in meditation. Solitude is in the mind of man. One might be in the thick of the world and maintain serenity of mind. Getting rid of the I am the body idea, turning the mind inward and merging it in the heart to realize real the non dual light of the self. To realize the self and non dual being and the light of all is the significance of seeing the darshan of the beacon on Annamalai, the center of universe. Beware, attend to your own business. The only purpose in life is to be the self. All other activities are a waste of time. Your only business is this life is to realize the self, here and now, thereby cutting asunder the cycle of births and deaths. Do actions without caring for the result. Do not think that you are the doer. Dedicate the work to God. That is the skill and also the way to gain it. Please subscribe to Homagandhi Creations YouTube channel.